Good morning, everyone. It's Friday, so it's our first celebration assembly of the year. And before we start, I just want to say well done, because you have all come back fantastically. You have been so sensible and shown us that you're ready to learn. And it's been lovely to see you all again after having so long off. So thank you. We've got loads of certificates to give out today. You can see all those. They're going to be making their way to their classrooms to you to take home at the end of the day. We're going to see who has been chosen as a Star of the Week. So our first Star of the Week is from our Year 2-3 class. And Year 2-3 have had a few different teachers this week, and they have all risen to the challenge of showing our new teachers, our visitors, what fantastic children they are and how we behave and how we learn at Amington Heath. But two children really stood out, and that was TJ. Well done, TJ. You've been an absolute superstar. You've settled so well, showing excellent behaviour and a really good attitude to learning. So true Amington alien. Well done, TJ. And the teacher that actually had you this week said, is he always this well behaved? And fortunately, Mrs. Shakespeare was able to say yes. So well done, TJ. Keep it up. And Evie Minton has had a super start to the year and again has been a true Amington alien. Keep it up, Evie. Super start. So our next two are our reception. They're not reception. They've moved up and need to keep up with everyone. These are our Year 1 children. And Darcy O has had an absolutely fantastic start to the year. I've heard she's come back really well prepared for Year 1, showing some really grown-up behaviours and learnings. So well done. And Jacob Knight has been a determined alien this week. He's tried hard in his lessons and he's been persevering with activities and has begun to master counting. He's challenged himself to write his name without any help. Well done, Jacob. Fantastic. So now we have got, from nursery, we have got Frankie. So Frankie has really enjoyed our Forest School sessions this week. We started some Forest School with our nursery children and our Year 6 children, and everybody is going to have some time in the forest over the year, starting with those year groups, but you will all get your go. And Frankie has really enjoyed his Forest School sessions and he's been encouraging others to join in with his games. So well done, Frankie. And Freddie has been an independent alien. He's been super friendly with other people and been really independent writing his name. So well done, Freddie. So in reception, we have got a certificate for Liliana. Liliana has been using the toilet by herself. I think these might be Little Learners, actually. I think I've got the wrong Liliana. I think these are Little Learners Lilianas. So Liliana has been using the toilet by herself all week and has had no accidents. Fantastic, Liliana. That's really growing up. And Honey Ivy has been playing independently at self-chosen activities and has been putting her dummy on the side. She's now feeling more confident. Well done, Honey Ivy. That is fantastic news. It's nice to see some of our youngest children who've never even been in school before settling in really quickly. So we've also got from Year 6 a certificate for Cameron. What an amazing start to the year. You've been an independent, determined and aspirational alien this week. You've had a lovely attitude to learning. Well done, keep it up. That's really lovely to hear. Well done, Cameron. And Harry Hunt. Harry has been an independent and aspirational alien this week. He's worked hard in every lesson and shown the right attitude to learning and behaviour throughout. Well done, Harry. That's fantastic to hear. Now, we've also had some new children throughout the rest of the school, not just in early years. We've welcomed quite a number of children into our different year groups, and as usual, our children at Amington Heath have really been welcoming and shown them what it's like here at Amington to be part of our Amington family. So well done for helping those children settle, and it's lovely to have so many new faces join us. And one of those new faces is Leo. So Leo has joined our year 3-4 class, and he's settled into school this week and been an aspirational alien, especially in maths. He's always challenging himself and aiming higher to achieve great success. That's fantastic, Leo. Really good start to our school. And this one is for Aston in year 3-4. Aston has a great first week back. He's been an independent alien and trying hard with all of his work. He's been having a go without asking for as much help. And he's been an expressive alien because he's been listening to instructions and following them accordingly. So well done, Aston. Really good listening and great hard work. So our year 5 class. Goodness me, these children are growing up fast. This certificate is for Millie. Millie has wowed me this week. She listens carefully to all instructions and carries out all her tasks to the best of her ability. Not only that, she's making every effort to join in with class discussions and volunteering answers to questions. Brilliant. A truly aspirational alien. Well done, Millie. And Isabel Price-Webber. Excellent positive attitude this week, Isabel. It's been lovely to see you come back and give all in every lesson, even when you don't find it easy. You have achieved so much because of your determined attitude. Well done, Isabel. That's really lovely to hear, Isabel. And it's so nice to see children coming in with big smiles on their faces, so pleased to be back. So our last 2 certificates are for our reception class. Miss Pretty has chosen Callum. Callum has been a determined alien in reception this week. He's settled back into school really well and has been resilient in his mark making, writing his name and making marks which has meaning to him. Callum has been having a go at activities in reception and that he hasn't attempted before, so he's trying new things. Well done, Callum. A super start to reception. And Leon has been an expressive alien this week in reception. He's been trying so hard to communicate, speaking more and more in English every day. Leon has been trying super hard to join in all the group activities, especially in Read Write Inc. So well done, Leon. An excellent start to reception. So all of those certificates, huge pile, will be flying out to their classrooms for you to take home and share with your parents. So well done. Now, our planet points. We have been earning planet points across school for learning behaviours and good manners and being helpful and all those things that we expect from our Amington aliens. And I asked all the classes to send me a post-it note with their scores on, and I've added them up. But there's some classes that haven't been putting them on, so we need to make sure that those are being done every day. When you get your planet points, you pop them on your sheet. And I've added them up, and I've got some winners. And I will go into the hall in a bit and put the balls into our long tubes so we can see which house are in the lead. So, are you ready? So, in 4th place, we have Red Team with 166 points. That's still a lot of points though, so well done, Red Team. Yellow Team have 171. Green Team have 196, which means that Blue Team are in the lead already with 242 planet points. So well done, Blue Team. So make sure that those planet points have been put straight onto your boards so we can top them up each week, and make sure that we're putting our balls into our tubes and we can choose a class to have a special treat, maybe a non-uniform day at the end of the half term. So well done. So a fantastic first week and 2 days back, because I didn't do an assembly last week for you, but well done. You have risen to the challenge of coming back to school after so long off, and you have all been working super hard and behaving really well and following our special rules. So well done. Keep it up, and I'll see you all after the weekend. Have a lovely time.